I used to be like really mute, silent. I wouldn't speak if I wasn't spoken to. So it's taken like a while to develop some sort of confidence or, you know, belief in myself to, you know, interact with people. Okay, so what does confidence mean to you?
I find confidence personally in self-expression.
Yes.
I think confidence is when you're comfortable, also when you're happy, when you're with people who are positive and supportive, definitely.
Has beauty bullying ever got to you, and did you move past it to become more confident?
With me, I would say I have been through bullying online, and it did affect me for a while, and I, you know, stopped posting. I took down my Instagram. I had to get to a stage where I would speak to people who were supportive of me, so my parents or like friends, and then it helped me to like find who I was. So it's all about, you know, having experiences and learning how to deal with them. So what advice would you give your 16-year-old self or other teenagers out there?
16, I cared so much about how other people portrayed me and how I looked. I went through a stage where I was very unhealthy and I was very small and I wanted to try and change because everyone was saying, oh, you need to lose weight and do this and whatever. Yeah. I look back now and it's so sad how much time I wasted caring about what other people thought and how I looked. I just wish I spent more time thinking about how I felt and what made me happy and just cutting out everything that made me sad. Yeah. Actually, just find the things that make you happy and do more of it. But especially with makeup, like I expressed myself so much with makeup and I used to try every style when I was 16. Yeah. And expressing yourself with makeup and clothes is such a nice way to find yourself and just play around, have fun with it.